What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and as you guys can see, we have a package here to unbox. We got the Blue Alien on deck. So it's a package inside of a package. So these are the SJRG01s. These are FPV video goggles. A cheap alternative. These are actually $100 goggles. So it has a diversity receiver. It has video recording, wide power input. It has an adjustable interpupillary distance, binocular independent display system. So let's pop it open and see what they look like. Okay, so this part slides off. This opens this way. So we have an instructions manual. Looks pretty detailed. We have two antennas that we're probably not going to use. And so we have the goggle itself here. It comes with this AV cable here. And this looks like a power cable. So you can plug it into a JST connection. And so these are the goggles here. So it has a binocular system here, as you can see. No fan is on it, so I got to see how that's going to play out. So we have a little hatch here. I think the battery goes in here. That's to adjust the eyesight for each eye. We have a spot for the memory card here, SD card slot. We have a USB charging cable here. Or maybe this is just to transfer data or update the firmware in the goggles. And we have an earphone jack here. This is where our AV cable goes. And we have a DCN here. So the faceplate feels like it's okay. Head strap here. So we're definitely going to check these things out. Let's see if we have anything else in there. We have a nose piece in here. A nose cushion. So they didn't install it. They left it optional for us to see if we want to use that. So you guys can expect to see some feedback on this. And I'm going to tell you guys how I like it. Give you guys full feedback on it. Budget FPV goggles with built-in DVR and diversity. Thanks for watching.